Have you been tired with your busy life in a world so packed with work? If yes, visit Mandaramura, Sri Lanka. Cleanse your mind, also body by breathing in the refreshing air and let your senses filled with the sweet earthy fragrances of the tea hills. Tea Experience Factory, a member of Thema Collection Resort, is a premier among Mandaramura hotels and one of the oldest tea factories built in Sri Lanka. Today you can stay in a tranquil state and relax for some time with us to experience staying in a working tea factory. This is our room at the factory. It seems really cozy and comfortable. The room is decorated with some historical photos of Sri Lanka. You can see the smashing view of the misty mountain range from the window here. The room is well maintained and we're really satisfied with the amenities. The morning view is marvelous. Words are not enough to describe the beauty of lush green landscapes kissed by morning sunlight. It's a bliss to feel the calmness at this tranquil edge, escaping from day-to-day busy life. Some old memories of the tea factory are archived. As you can see, this book has maintained as still a book for decades of years. Even it's a hotel now, the management has been able to keep its original nature to give a different vibe of tea experience to the visitors. Here you can have a good session of pre-production story from tea flaking stage to tea tasting time. Tea flaking is a unique experience where you will get to interact with the tea flaggers. Only the uppermost foliage on every stem is picked with the famous method of 2 leaves and a bud. The stem itself must be left undamaged. series of photos of the old tea factory are taking us to early 90s. The leaf to cup experience is a must-do at an experience. The tea session was great. If you are interested, you can use the swimming pool also. Lunch was good with the tasty food. The meals were very suitable for the cool environment. The factory surrounded area is ideal for nature trails and bird watching. You can speak to the naturalist guide and have a nature trail around the border of Pidutalagal Forest Reserve. You can also take a jeep and go on a safari to chase up to 6 waterfalls. A dip in the falls will surely refresh and heal your soul. We found 2 routes in Google Maps from Colombo to Mandaramnura. One was based Colombo Kandy Main Road A01. Other one was through Kurunegala through Central Expressway E04. Even it is longer, we followed the second route due to the less traffic. It took about 5 hours to reach Mandaramnura. The Central Highway is still under construction, and after the completion, you will be able to go Colombo to Kandy within a short time. It's safer to visit by a vehicle having good ground clearance, as the road was eroded slightly at some places, but the road is filled with mist and marvelous landscapes. Visit this beautiful destination to set yourself free by traversing the less traveled mist roads and to soothe your soul listening to the joyful melodies of birds.